Sooner or later, you're gonna find her. She might be hairy, but she's lovely.
She's hairy, she's hairy.
She's gonna watch you, and then she'll force you to go with her.